want? More. Here you go. There's more for you. Hi, what would you like? Would you like something? Oh, you want more? Show me. Show me more. Good. More. Here's more. Whoop. A little bit sloppy there. Sorry. Oh, you want more? Oh, show me more. Okay. Here's more, Michael. Oh, now what is it? Oh, more? More. Show me more. Good. More. I know you have to hold on. You keep falling backwards in your seat. It's hard to say more with two hands. You got it. You're so smart. You want more? Okay. Here's more for you. What do you want? You want more? Oh, more. Okay, here's more. More. Can you show me? What do you want? More. There you go. Some more. What do you want? Show me. More. Good, Michael. You've come such a long way in 1 month. You're so smart. You are such a smart boy. Asking for more. More. We're almost done. Just a couple more bites. More? Would you like some more? Oh, okay. Here's more. And one more bite. Do you want one more bite? More. Yeah. Okay. Here you go. Yay, Michael. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.